Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first video then welcome. Today I'm going to be trying to do this Lion King look based on one of the original posters, so I'll pop that here so you guys can see. Lion King was always one of my favorite movies growing up. I had the videotape of it, so that's going back a while now. But when I saw that they were remaking the Lion King and doing it into a live action film, I was so excited, and I've been wanting to do a Lion King look for a while now, but I've just been really scared to do it because I'm worried that it's not going to turn out well. It's going to be a very intricate look, so yeah, I've been a bit nervous about that, but I need to just harden up and do it, and if I fail then I can always try again. So yeah, I am giving it a go. Anyway, if you would like to see how I create this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've got my eyebrows done already, and I've got wet concealer on the eyelids to be my eyeshadow base. And the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my Morphe 35B palette and going in with this orange shade here, and using a small pencil brush, I'm just going to pack that on the lid up into the crease, and I'm also going to wing it out just a slight bit. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with a fluffy blending brush and just start to blend out that orange a bit. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with another blending brush and this yellow shade here, and I'm going to use that to blend out the orange, and then I will be probably going back and forth between the two shades just to help blend them together. Okay, I'm comparing the orange on my eyelids to the orange from the poster, and I think that it's not dark enough. So I'm gonna take my Lime Crime Venus 2 palette and this shade here, which is called Jam, and just going over top of the orange and just trying to darken it up a bit. Okay, that's looking a lot better now, I think. Definitely a lot more vibrant and dark. So now I'm going to be mapping out where I'm going to be placing the sun. So I'm going to be taking just some micellar water and a cotton tip and just using that to wipe off the makeup where I'm going to be placing the sun in the shape of a circle. Okay, now that I've removed some of that colour and kind of got a bit of a sun shape going on, I'm just going to go in with a small eyeliner brush and my P.Louise base, and this is in the shade Rumour 0, and I'm just going to use this to carve out my sun shape and get that really nice and defined and get the base laid down. Okay, I've done the sun shape. I don't want to open my eye because I don't want it to go everywhere before I have a chance to set it. So I'm just going to set it with that same yellow and just a small eyeshadow brush. Okay, now is the scary part, and I'm going to start doing some of the details. So I'm going to take my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm going to start by drawing the rock, Pride Rock. I'm not quite sure what way I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to start it off from the inner section and bring it up and outwards, because I just think it's going to be weird to do it from that side. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so I've got Pride Rock drawn on. So now I have to do Mufusa, and this is the scariest part for me. I'm so nervous I'm gonna mess it up, but whatever, we shall give it a go. So I'm gonna use the same product to do that. I'm gonna start with the outline first, and then I may fill it in with a different product. I don't know, I'll just start by doing the outline. And I don't really have a plan for this. I'm just going to give it a go, I guess. I did a couple of practice ones, so hopefully I can do this right. But yeah, I'm not gonna really be able to talk you through this one, so we'll just do a little time lapse and see how it goes. Okay, at the moment it's looking alright. I'm not sure what to think of it yet, but I've just decided that I'm going to use the same product and just colour in Mufusa and make any adjustments if I need to. Alright, now I'm going to go back in with a different eyeliner brush, so just this one like this, and the same orange eyeshadow, so Jam from the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette. I'm just going to spray my brush with water and dip it into the orange eyeshadow, and I'm going to do some lines across the sun to make it look like heat waves or clouds covering the sun. That's pretty much the top of the eye complete, I think. I'm not completely happy with how it's looking, but I'm not really sure what to do to fix it, and I'm too scared that I'm gonna mess it up and ruin the whole thing. So I'm just gonna go do my face makeup, and then I'll come back and I can finish it off. Okay, so I've done the rest of my face makeup, and now I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line. So using the yellow shade from the Morphe palette and the orange shade from the Lime Crime palette. Now I'm going to be bringing in some colour into the waterline. So I'm taking my NYX Vivid Brights cream colour, and this is in the shade Cyber Pop, and just popping that on a small eyeliner brush. Now I'm just going to be adding some highlights, so I'm taking my Lime Crime Opals highlight and going in with this shade here, which is called Gold, and I'm applying that to my tear duct and my brow bone using a small eyeshadow brush. And then for my cheekbones, I'm going to be using this fluffy highlighting brush. Alright, and last step now is just to apply mascara and lashes. So the lashes that I'm going to be using are my XO Beauty Faux Mink lashes, and these are in the style Exotic. I'm just going to pop these on off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so here we have the completed look with lashes. The lashes are a bit big, I think. I might have to change them because you can hardly see the rock that I took so long to do. I'm not completely happy with the way that it turned out just because it's so intricate and hard to do. This is also my first time even trying to draw a lion, so, well, in that case, it's pretty good for my first time, but I'm a perfectionist and I would prefer that it was perfect. But otherwise, I think it's cool and it's a fun little memorial kind of thing to do. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications if you don't want to miss any videos from me. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.